It's Bonnie. Happy Thursday. Check it out. Laser Shift got here and brought me a box. So I think this is the purchase with purchase box, the pumpkins and apples. So I'm just going to dive in here. It's not a huge box though. So we shall see. I know there's some fun fragrance mist in here too, because I hear it sloshing around. So let me dig into this. Yep, it's the box. Woohoo! Check this out. Okay, I see it. Look at how pretty this box is. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm excited about this. So what I have in this box, I believe this was the Fine Fragrance Mist sale also. So I did get another Bonfire Bash. I gotta put a little bit of this on. I've been wearing Bonfire Bash almost continually now for a month. That smells really good. I got a second Fairy Tale, and then I got Warm Vanilla Sugar in the marbled. I did not own this one. Last time I got this, it had like no scent. I was kind of curious if they redid the formula a little bit. It has no scent. This is so light. I don't know what's going on with Warm Vanilla Sugar. I didn't have this one, so now I have it. I only paid $5.95 for it. I also got, we have a breakage. Okay. I got a, it happens. I got one of the light up, this was 50% off for the Labor Day sale, and it just kind of broke off right here. I don't know. My husband can fix these things so easily. I don't know if I'm going to call her or not. We'll see. And then I also got the turtle, cute little sea turtles. This one is in perfect shape. So I'm not going to throw the box to further injure the Wallflower Plug. What I'm really interested in is my box. How exciting. Okay. This box is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Let me get the paper off. Got the plastic off. Super cute box. I don't know. There's just something so pretty about this gold box with the cute little animals. We've got the bear. We've got the fox. I like the box. I know a lot of people wanted a tote, but I don't know. I'm actually fine with the box. These are actually still available online. If you type box into the search box online, you will find it. Once you add $30 into your cart, add this in, and then it will ring up for $35. But you have to have $30 in your cart in order for it to ring for $35. Otherwise, it rings for $73. So I'm just going to pop this open. So what you do is you turn this over. There's a little tab here. You can pop it up, and all your stuff is inside. So first thing, Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. I forgot Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin was in here. This is the candle that did not fare too well in my awards this morning. Well, that's interesting. It's a little bit sweeter than the 3-wick. How weird. I don't know. I swear Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin is all over today. I feel like my bangs are all over today, too. I cut them way too short last night. I need a week to let my bangs grow in. I can see now, though. But Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin and my bangs have something in common. They're all over the place. Oh, pumpkin apple. I love this concentrated rum spray pumpkin apple. This is a fabulous one. Oh, that smells good. Nothing like fresh apples and pumpkins in your house in the fall. It's nice and cool today, too, by the way. We're supposed to go up to like 85 on Sunday, and I'm like, no. The pumpkin apple in the foaming hand soap. Oh, that smells so good. I needed another one of these, so I'm happy I got that. Red paper. Oh, okay. So we did get a Wallflower Plug. And then this is actually leaves is the refill. I kind of like what they did here. They attached it to the plug with like shrink wrap, so you can actually gift this. This would make a nice gift. And I really like this. This is a light up gold, and then kind of the fall beige on the bottom. And then the final thing, I'm not going to toss my box. My box is too pretty to toss. I'm just going to set this down. I don't want to dent it. We got the leaves candle. I love the copper top. Oh my gosh, leaves is so strong. I actually think I'm probably going to exchange my leaves for another scent, only because I have one leaves, and I did light this one the other day. Again, this one is so strong. This actually should have made the strongest throw list this morning. I forgot to put leaves on there, but oh my gosh. I can only tolerate leaves in small doses. I wish they had done a pumpkin apple candle in this box in an exclusive design. That's the one thing that I think would have been nice in this box, is we did not get an exclusive product. Except for maybe this. I don't know. I can't remember. I'll have to look online if we have. Let me look really quick. But this doesn't feel like super exclusive. You know what I mean? Like, it's just a different color of the plug. Let me see if this one's online. Actually, I don't see. I see a two-tone white nightlight, and I see a two-tone taupe. I would say it's probably one of those. So, again, I don't think there's anything exclusive in this box. I like it when they give us like one exclusive item, like a different candle design or like a special soap design. So that's the good and bad of this. I love the box. I'm not at all upset about the box at all. I think the box is really pretty. I just wish we had an exclusive item. So anyway, if you still want this, it is available online, purchase with purchase. You have to spend $30. The box is then $35. But overall, I'm pretty happy with this. I'll take the sweet cinnamon pumpkin. I like to put these all around my house. Take the lid off. The scent kind of wafts through there. Light these up. So this is not a problem that I got sweet cinnamon pumpkin. Leaves, I don't know. The leaves is a little strong. I don't know what to think about this warm vanilla sugar too. I don't know what happened to the scent in this one. It ran away. But I am super excited that I have another bonfire bash. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.